Hello everyone and welcome to the Sharpnado post-rock lo-fi live coding show. Tonight we'll be talking about .NET MAUI again and something more personal. We'll be talking about Xamarin.Forms MAUI migration because as you may know, maybe I have some components, some Xamarin.Forms components, and maybe I need to migrate some of them to .NET MAUI. And so tonight we'll be trying to migrate. But just it will be the first part, I guess, because it won't be that easy. We'll try to migrate the task loader view component. Okay. So if you want to process now, I think it's time for our first topic, which is the media break.
This is Media Break. You give us 3 minutes and we'll give you the world.
Okay. Here are some news on Twitter today, which is about AppCenter, because in fact a lot of Xamarin.Forms developer, of my mobile apps developer, are asking the same question about AppCenter. Because we don't have too many good signs about it, because it's not really active anymore. There's not like a lot of new functionalities which are added to the solution now. And we are a bit we're not really happy about it. A lot of people are just asking about it, will it be shut down or something like this. And so this is like a good question from Chris Boot. He's looking at going to MAUI with AppCenter regarding deployment. Even if the question is a bit sketchy, you know what it means. So we have some people asking about VS AppCenter, and a lot of people are just concerned about it. I am too, because I think it's a really, really great tool. It's so easy to set up build, and the interface is really fantastic. You can have distribution, you can distribute easily release, you can create release groups, you can release directly to the store. You have the diagnostics, so you can have crash. You have also analytics, so you can have events, and all is integrated really in a really nice UI. So it's really nice. So we are all really concerned about it. So it's a really good question, and I really hope it will continue. I guess there is still a team working on it, because sometimes I have some issues and the support is replying quite quickly. So they say they are on hold like for some time now. If you look at their roadmap, I don't know where it is. Yeah, they have the roadmap here. And since 2021, but April of 2020, and even before that, it's on hold, just like they are just committing to to fixing things and things like that. But it's a bit I'm concerned about it. You see, the roadmap was updated last time in June 2020. You have iteration plans, it's going until May 2020, and after that it's like I don't know. So and even we had issues because it cannot build C#9 by the time, but you have some like workaround now, like with boots and some scripts you can use on AppCenter. So you can have a chat. You can have you can check here on my blog on Sharpnado if you have some issues building your application with the latest C# and things like that. Oh, hey, how are you, my friend? This is my good friend on the Sharpnado chat here. So I was thinking about AppCenter, and we are all concerned about it. And who knows what will be the future of AppCenter? I don't know. We hope for the best, and we hope that Microsoft will continue to support it. But I guess it's up to them. I think also they're putting a lot of effort on GitHub Actions. So maybe they will switch to that later. Yeah, so who knows. So now what we will do today is trying to migrate the task loader view. The task loader view is a component which is my preferred component. It's a loading container, in fact, so you don't have to use a lot of properties in your view model, like is busy, has error. You don't have to handle all this code in your view model. You don't have to handle your task states. It's all handled for you in the task loader view. And so you can have a really nice view model which is really clean and just focus on your functionalities and not on the plumbery and handling state of your task and something like this. So it's the issue is that it's a Xamarin.Forms component, and I have to make some adaptation to make it work on MAUI. Hopefully, it's just like a full a pure Xamarin.Forms component, so you don't have renderers or things like this. So it will be normally an easy migration. Now, what I will do now is just I will try to create maybe to open the solution first. Let's see, will it work if I create a new solution? Let's see how the current state of things for now. On this side, let me see. Yep, Sharpnado source, and the task loader view is here. So this is my actual repository. This is a simple CS_proj file, and there's a solution around it. I think it's the solution is in the sample, in fact. Should I create a new CS project attach it to the solution? Because I will have to migrate also the sample later. I'm just thinking here. I think I will try to open this solution and to add the project directly. Okay, task loader view, Sharpnado sample. Let's open this. Whoa, 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 whoa! Whoa! Project below requires a platform SDK. Huh. We don't care about UWP. Yeah, we don't care. I just won't be loading it, I guess. Okay, it's not happy about some things. Don't really care because we won't be using all this project for now. So it's unloaded. It's fine. I will create a new folder. MAUI for now. And here I will create a new project, which is a MAUI project. A MAUI class library, I guess. It's a good place to start. And my project name, where do I put it? Sharpnado, no, it's not a good. Yeah, I would create a new directory for this. MAUI. Yep, I will put it here. But do I want the same name? Guess I want the same name. Sharpnado. Should I prefix it with MAUI to make it more obvious? I don't really know. Yeah, why not? Yeah. Wow. Oh, this is really, really big. This is too big. Just. I was just. Blah, 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 where is it? It's fonts and colors. Text editor. Yeah, maybe 15 will be. Yeah, it's big. Yeah, it's too big. Option. Yeah, knew it was that big. Maybe 13. Okay, it seems better now. Yeah, it would be roughly 80 characters, colon. Okay. Let's see. Yeah, what I would like to do now, I think, it's take all the files of the task loader view and reference it from here. Okay, I would like to use the same files with maybe some constant, some compile time constants, just to select the correct namespaces, because it's just an issue of namespaces. Because if we have the look at the task loader view, oh, but I have XAML also. This won't work, I guess. Just maybe it work. It's just this thing. Yep. Oh, I have a snack bar also. Forget about this. So you have two XAML files. And I have a behavior. I have a lot of things, in fact, in this thing. Forget about all those things. I don't know if it will work. I don't know if the behavior has been rewritten or not. I'm not sure. Okay. snack bar. Okay. Just, yeah, so what I would like to do, just trying to import all the things for now and see where I end up. Existing item, and I will check all the things here, including the XAML. But something weird here. Where is my, oh, it's here. Okay. Okay, let's try to take all these things. But why don't I don't see the exam. Because yeah, I know why. Can I undo this? Because there was a filter here. Want all the files. Okay, it's better this way. Yeah, not this one. Not this one. I don't think I need this one or this one either. Okay, no, it's better. And what are the dependency of MAUI? Yes, .NET 6. But it raises some interesting question, because since MAUI is in .NET 6, does it mean that we don't have to like import NuGet packages? I guess you don't have like install. Okay, install 2 packages, which is MAUI dependencies. Whoa, yeah. Okay, so you have packages and extensions. Okay. And so for the XAML, how it's working? Just okay, it's not opening here. Why? Okay, it doesn't open anything. Huh. Why? Cannot open the XAML. Okay. I don't know why. I think maybe I will need to copy paste the snack bar and create new ones. But it's just really weird that I cannot open the XAML file, because I don't know, it's trying to open with something weird, because it's just XML at the end of the day. So what? Okay, because I'm trying to open the XAML here, not the CS open with, and just XML editor. Okay, it's so weird. Cannot open it with an XML editor. Don't know why. And yeah, it's working. Because I'm in a MAUI project, I can't. So I wanted to see. Okay, so this is just the MAUI XAML. Oh yeah, so it's different targets. I guess this is why it doesn't work. I think it doesn't like the headers of the XAML. Pretty sure this is why. Let's see. I think I created a MAUI project not long time ago. Is it in test? Playground? No. Is it in... I don't know where. Fox? No, it's not Fox. Where did I create my MAUI projects? Whoa, I don't know. I really don't know. Playground? Nope. Okay. I don't really have anything. Where did I... If I create a new... I want... Oh, maybe I have a recent here, no? Open recent. Where is it? Recent file. Aha! Yeah, okay, it's because it's in stupid... Yeah, path. Jean-Marie, source repo. Makes no sense, okay. Yeah. Put it in the wrong place. So I put it here, here, source. Why not? Repose. Okay, great. Okay, and that was the XAML. So this XAML is valid. Wow, what's doing? Okay. Okay, so we can see that just the namespace is changed. So it's too bad we cannot make compile time. Cannot choose compile time constant in XAML. Would have been nice. Now I'm kind of stuck. It's too bad. So I guess what I have to do is split. So I have to yeah, this and this. I have to import to add existing items and the XAML C# of this one and of the snack bar. Fuck me. Yep. And now I have to copy paste those two, the XAML, but I cannot take them at all because it would copy paste the CS file as well. So I have to take this, take just the XAML, just the XAML, okay. And I have to just copy. Oh, okay, it's here. It's here, but oh, now I can open it. I don't know. Let's have a look at the... Yeah, because it didn't... you see, we have lost our... Yes, I guess we can make it easier than that. We were on the right path, I guess, because we can just add existing items and all files, and I will have this one and this one and this one and this one, and okay. So now it's, yeah, but XAML is not good. Yep. So we just have to, it won't open, but maybe if we edit it like this with a bit of a sublime text, and we just change, so we don't have, I can see the, let's see the differences between the two. So this is going, and this is the two, oh, this is the same XAML namespace, so it's really just this line with changing. In fact, it's quite easy. Oh, this is some old stuff. Wow, I don't need this now. Yeah, MCD, blah blah blah. Okay. And now maybe what was it? It was yeah, task loader XAML. Seems nice now. I think all these things. Oh, maybe snack bar won't work. Let's see. If I try to open, no. Why? And if I try to create just a regular XAML, new item, loading template. Oh, what? Okay, I cannot create XAML. I cannot create XAML from this template editor, I guess. Yep. Okay, so I'm kind of stuck with this weird bug. I cannot open a XAML file. What is the difference between this CS Proj? Okay. And the one from the MAUI app I created earlier. Oh, because this is an application also, so there's more. Oh, wait, but there are no like XAML files in this one. No, doesn't look like. But I have a main page.xaml. Here it's specified at MAUI XAML, but here there's nothing about it. There's no MAUI XAML. Yep. I don't know. I really don't know. Maybe I can just delete this. Like this. I don't know. What happened now? Nothing. And yeah, if I unload and reload it, maybe. Reload. Oh, I don't know. It's not working at all. Yeah. And let's try to. Okay. Yeah, it's driven by the the SLN file, I guess the SLN file doesn't do any good here. Yep, I think so, because I think the SLN file maybe is the issue here. So maybe I will create a new SLN file from scratch. I will delete this and I will close the solution. I will open a new project solution. Yep. No, not open, create new project. Yeah. MAUI class library, exactly. My location. Oh, this. Task loader view, MAUI. Select folder. Great. Project name, Sharpnado.MAUI.taskLoaderView. Great. Create new solution. Perfect. Solution name. Oh, no, not perfect. Okay. Solution name. Seems fine. Yeah, why not? Okay, I have to clean up first. Hope. Okay, now it should work. Don't save, I don't care. Okay, so now we are back here, but maybe with the correct framework.NET 6. Okay, I can select, okay. Maybe it's better now, I don't know. Add existing item. And we go back to task loader view and we just pick everything here. Hop. Yes. I don't need this or this. No. Permanently. I don't want. I don't think it will be permanent. It's bluffing. So it's not working anymore. Yep. I don't know. Still not working. Okay, so I guess I'm stuck with XAML for now. Anyway, let's see. Oh yeah, I have to add a dependency, which is my task monitor. This is the first one. Yep. Should work. It's net standard, so should be no problem here. Okay. So now we are fine. Maybe he's not using this. This is why he's not complaining about it. He's not complaining about. Yeah, I'm not using. Yeah, I'm not using task. He's not complaining about anything. But isn't it weird? Is it like global namespace thing, or I don't know what, because there's no using of the task and it's not complaining about it. Maybe by default there's some kind of global namespace. Maybe. It's not complaining about. Oh yeah, so this is a new. It's just discarding it, but I don't really have an issue. Use from is obsolete, but I really like hexadecimal. Why is it deprecated? But if it's just deprecation, it's fine. From X, and this is yeah, okay. I don't know why he's not happy with. I really like from X hexadecimal. It's so more readable, like from. What was the other one? He was advising me to use from ARGB, but it's not. No, it's not good. I don't like it. I don't like it at all. Color does not contain definition from R. Okay, so there's not red. Oh, this is red now. So this is where wow, yeah. I shouldn't delete this. Yeah, this is where I should use like compile time. Is there something like MAUI or no? .NET 6 maybe. Oh, yeah. This should do. This should do. This should do. And this is the same here. If I should use the same here for the colors. So if it's MAUI, okay, it's working. Great. Yeah, so if it's MAUI, which is .NET 6 in fact, I have to adapt the code. Yeah! Great. Okay, great. And if it's Xamarin.Forms, but this works, so it's perfect. Okay. So I will continue using this, but no, just if it's not, yeah, if it's not .NET 6. Great. Can use the same thing here. If it's not .NET 6, and if, because I guess this is just, oh, I don't know why I need some Xamarin.Forms. I don't need any Xamarin.Forms here, I guess. This is just like view model stuff. What is dependent from the Xamarin.Forms thing? Is there like notify? No, it's not even. I don't know. Ça va marcher ça. Okay. So it should be okay for this one. Oh. Is it in MAUI? MAUI controls, yes, it's the same. It's so easy. I really have nothing to do here. Just have to do something like this. Because this is in MAUI. And I don't need to use anything, just like global using directive, I guess. But is it like implicit? I don't know how it's work. Is there something saying like I'm using global directive somewhere? Implicit using. Okay. Wow. Okay. This is why. It's even easier that way. Great. It's really easy. Okay, initializer. We have something like this. No, it's just plain stuff. Internal logger. What? Using directive. I don't know why I have this thing here. What did I what's Sharpnado present? Wow, it's all old stuff here. Should get rid of this stuff now. Whoops. Oh, I have to be careful with all the using, because maybe the other version, the Xamarin.Forms version is using it. So hello Johnny from Austria. Great. How things in Australia, man? All good? We're struggling a bit with MAUI and XAML here, I must be honest. But yeah, from I guess from it's really easy to adapt, because it's just like some little namespace things, but it's really no big deal. Which is really just like it's discard my using Xamarin.Forms, but I don't see really like you see syntax error or something like this. Maybe I don't even need to just remove this. It's weird. I don't. It doesn't care. Maybe I don't even need like compile time. The things I put here. I will just try not to put them and see if it's work. Because it just seemed to just discard it. So yeah, I don't know this namespace. I just discarding it. So yeah, why not? We have the snack bar here. Okay, discarding it. Oh, this one is not good. It's like I think. Yes, all fine. I'm stopping with MAUI right now. Yeah. We're all playing with MAUI right now. It's kind of early to play with MAUI, so we kind of think of we have some little things not so nice, like just I cannot open the XAML. I don't know why. I just imported it. I imported this XAML, but it just won't open. I don't know why. So but yeah, I guess maybe in the MAUI namespace, they just created a fake fake namespace like this, just to easy the migration, because it's working. It doesn't like this one, so there's no issue. I can use this directive. It's not. Yes, it's MAUI, and all it's working. So it's really nice. Just the color. Yeah, I saw that the color was not the same. So I already updated this thing, so it's good, I guess. Okay, now we have the command, which was is using the system Windows input. We have Wiki Event Manager. It doesn't like it for some reason. Why it doesn't like it? Oh, why is it in the Xamarin.Forms namespace? What? Because I copy pasted it. This is why. Yeah, now I remember. I know. Given dynamic gives reference. Oh, because there's what? We can use a Wiki Event Manager now? Whoa, that's so cool. Isn't it really working? Is it really the same implementation? What? Yes, it's working. What? What? This is really cool. Okay. Now it's not working, but like, oh, now, okay. So now I have of the issue with the namespace. It's because, okay, this is why it worked, because I created the namespace for the wiki event manager. Okay. So it's no magic here. But it's kind of reassuring because I really didn't understand why it was working, so I'm relieved in a way. I don't really like magic stuff. Okay, Xamarin.Forms, no Xamarin.Forms here, Xamarin.Forms here. Yep, Xamarin.Forms. Yeah, this one also. Yep, Xamarin.Forms here. Ah! Need this one. Okay. And if. Okay, notifier. I don't need. This one, yes, there's Xamarin.Forms import here. Okay. The other one here also. Bye. There's no here. Wow, 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 wow. Yeah, this one will be a big one. Okay, it's complaining. Okay, this behavior from MAUI is perfect. So the last one is this one, but since we don't have access to the XAML because of yeah, we cannot open the XAML, so so yeah, it doesn't recognize anything. It's kind of lost now. I can start by just color accent. Cannot seem to find this. What? Why? Okay. Because it's not maybe I will, yeah. Else, okay. So this is working, great. Default order, yes, this is all from the XAML, so I guess it won't work. Yeah, color.accent. Yeah, this one, I think I'm just stuck with it. Yeah, I don't know what to put here. I would just leave the accent for now. Frame. Is it? Oh yeah. All these are not working because it cannot find my XAML file, so it cannot work. Huh. It's really too bad it doesn't work. Where is it? Main page. I will try to open it one last time. Oh, but is it from... Let me just... I need to do it differently, I guess. Yep. open folder. Okay. But I try to. In fact, it doesn't work. It didn't work. Just didn't work. But I should have added it as a link, I guess. I saw it was working. Like I add existing items. Why it shouldn't? Oh fuck! Add as a link. Huh. Now it duplicates everything. It's not really a big deal. I can do the opposite later. Later I will just copy paste all this code here back to my project, and I will add as link, so it's not really a big deal. It will be fine. So what I can do now is just all files. Yes, XAML. Can try to edit the XAML here to see. The XAML here. This XAML. Okay. And compared it to not this one, to this one, which is the main page of a classic MAUI file. This is the content view. Suppose the only thing is, which is different, is like the namespace. Just this thing. Okay. And this we don't need. This we don't need. But we should have the class, no? Oh yeah, because I deleted the class. Deleted the class. Okay, so this is better. Class, and yep. I will put exactly the same sequence, just to be sure. No. Oh yeah, no, it's fine. Just I forgot this one. Okay, now it's fine. Now it's the same. Yep, it's the same. It's the same. It's the same. It's the same. Okay. Okay. Now let's try to open. No, it doesn't want. Okay, at least I tried. I tried hard enough, I guess. But yeah, if I could open the XAML, just adapt the code, and I think there's really nothing to adapt here because this is basically all perfectly valid XAML in MAUI also. Like we have absolute layout and stack layout, and so it should work. I don't know why it's not working, but I guess the migration won't be that hard with this component. I will try maybe later this week and try to make some research with the issue with XAML not opening in Visual Studio. But yeah, I guess we can have a little break now. And be right back. Okay, now we have it's time for our most expected zero argument debate. And the zero argument debate of this week is not working. Okay, great. I will try to edit the scene in I will try to edit the scene live on my Twitch studio. And why isn't it not working? Okay, I'm trying to find the right frame here. This is not the good one. Okay, it's not showing at all, I guess. This is why it's not working. Let me try again. Okay. Okay, so it's kind of working, but it's not working. We really like this. It's not working. It starts to work and it's not working. I already have this kind of issue before. Yeah, it's start to work. Yeah, is it working? Yeah. So this is our zero argument debate of the week. The zero argument debate of the week is Putin or Putin. And the debate is now open. Putin or Putin? Putin or Putin? Putin or Putin? Hurry up. The debate is coming to an end now. What will it be? Putin or Putin? And the debate is now closed. And the results of the debate is Putin, of course. The food, not the third. Okay. Now let's move on to our final topic. Our final topic is the cool kid of the week. And the cool kid of the week this week is the delayed view. Yeah. Let's see the delayed view. So I don't know if you know the what is it called? The lazy view. The lazy view is a component I created like 2 years ago to help load smoothly some views, some UI. Because sometimes in Xamarin you have some issues with like the smoothness of the app. It can be sometimes a bit slow to change from a section to another. And I created a lazy view 2 years ago for this, which is in fact like kind of a wrapper of a view. And if you have like a really big bloated view with a lot of UI in it, you can put that in the lazy view. So when your page will show, it won't be loaded. All the XAML won't be loaded right now. It just be loaded if you click on the tab item, because it's perfectly integrated in my tabs component. If you go to my tabs, tab component, you can see there are sections, and all these views are in a view switcher, you can call it, and you can put those views in the lazy view. So let's say you just launch the app, only the first view will be loaded, and the other one won't just be loaded yet. It just be waiting to be activated. And when you click on the button, it will be really loaded and just added to the view hierarchy. So you will you will save a lot of time when you are launching the app. It will be way faster with lazy view. But sometimes you have another issue. Sometimes even if you are using lazy view, the view is loading too quickly, and it just will slow down your app. And we can see that with this example. I will now launch an app on which I am working right now. It's an app for a good client of mine, and it's like for managing tour. You have like a driver, and it needs to go to different spot and collect the oil, because it's for oil recycling. So it just collects oil and a recycling, and it just sell it again to other people, just to make some biocarburant, like some biofuel, something like this. But all the driver needs to manage the chores. So this is an app for managing chores. So I have my little Lottie. And now all these views that are here are in delayed view. All but one, you will see. So if I go here and I want to click on this button, on this tab, you can see that this is matching this tabs view. We have 3 segmented tabs with tab info, directives, and media. So this is 3 sections. Above you have the view switcher, and on the view switcher you have a delayed view, which is this first one, and the other one just commented it out, the delay section. And in this one you have no view for now, so it's fine. But see, if I click on this button, you see, wow, it's laggy. It's kind of laggy. Now if I go back, it's not lagging, but you could see that it's lagging, because in fact when I click here, it needs to fire up the view and to play on the is visible of those 2 views. And so it's like a flagging, and it doesn't feel good for our user to use this kind of thing. So yeah, you see, schlack. So it's kind of lagging. I will play with it one last time. You see, now it's better because it's starting to getting hot. But now we will try just to Wow. What? No. Okay, I don't know. It's not working anymore. The uncommenting thing is not working. So yeah, we'll have to uncomment by hand. Okay. Format this. And I will just reload the app so you can see. I will not use hot reload just to be sure that it won't work quickly because of another mechanism, I don't know. So I just reload the app, and you will see with using the delayed view, you will have a way better feel with the app. It will seem smoother with to your user. Loaded. Okay, and now we go back to our restaurant, and you will see when I click here, whoop, it switched directly. Of course, you have you had a little wait. You see, it's kind of floating just to show something to the user, but it's really better for the user because it's just reacting like, you know, in the instant. Clack! And you see when we weren't using the delayed view, it was laggy and not great. So what is the delayed view? Delayed view is really easy. In fact, it's just like a lazy view, but in the loading view, it will just delay a little bit. Like for default, it's 200 milliseconds, the loading. So it means that when you are just clicking here, it just won't load directly when you are clicking here. It just switch to the view, but the view for now is just an activity loader. But and after that, 200 milliseconds later, it will display the view. So it's just delaying a little tad the view, so you will have a nice swift effect, like it won't be lagging at all. And you know, in fact, we don't really care if the app is really quick or if it's maybe it's slow to render some views. But we do care if it seems like it's slow. You know, when you are developing app, it's all about the feeling of the app, and if it feels slow, then it won't it will get mad. It will drive mad your users. But if it's in fact slow, but you hide it and it feels not slow, it's perfectly fine. And we have to consider this kind of thing with Xamarin because it's like some overhead. And yeah, when you have a lot of view, like in this page, for example, you want to be able to speed up things, to make believe that it's not slow. So just by doing this, you are not frustrating your user. It's just like he's clicking on the tab and then something happen right away. But if you're not, it just will be like for 1 or 2 seconds, it will be slow. It won't happen, and he won't be happy with it, I can tell you. Okay, guys, so I guess that's all for me today. It was the second episode of the Sharpnado's post-live coding show, and I was really happy to make it. I will, of course, leave it on replay for 2 weeks. And for now, I guess it's a goodbye. Goodbye.
Ah, moi, je suis très impatient de vous retrouver tous. En attendant, amusez-vous bien. Au revoir.
C'est le moment de partir avec le sourire. Dans la maison de Winnie, on peut revenir. On a bien joué, on s'est amusé et l'on n'a pas vu le temps passer. C'est le moment de partir avec le sourire. Dans la maison de Winnie, on peut revenir pour aujourd'hui. Salut les amis, rendez-vous bientôt chez Winnie. Rendez-vous bientôt chez Winnie.